We are here to discuss the Manhattan Project, its importance, and the many uses of nuclear energy.
Should we be concerned by the nuclear energy? Look what it has done to such places as Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
Good question. Nuclear energy has the potential to create devastating damage, but it also has many other uses that are not harmful but helpful. In fact, the main use of nuclear energy is the production of electric energy. Nuclear fusion reactors are produced in the nuclear reactors of nuclear power plants. From this reaction, thermal energy is created and later transformed into mechanical energy, then electrical energy. In the industrial world, nuclear energy is used mainly for the automation of things such as high-speed production lanes. It is also used in the manufacture of plastics and the sterilizing of disposable products. Another use that is more stereotypical when thinking of nuclear energy is nuclear weapons, such as the atom bomb. Nuclear energy is also used in medicine. Nuclear energy is used in treatments such as radiotherapy and teletherapy. Nuclear energy can be used in the field of agriculture. Nuclear energy is proven to control insect pests, improve crop varieties, and maximize water resources. One last thing of nuclear technologies is the preservation of food.
Question: what exactly is the Manhattan Project?
I'm glad you asked. The Manhattan Project is a classified research and development project during World War II. There are thousands of secret labs throughout the United States that helped create the first nuclear weapon, the atomic bomb.
Where exactly are these locations of these laboratories? Why were they kept secret from civilians?
The locations of these laboratories are known to civilians are Los Alamos National Laboratories, Argonne National Laboratory, Hanford Site, Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and Chalk River Laboratories. Unfortunately, several Manhattan Project locations are still classified by the government and unknown to civilians.
Did you know the significance of the nuclear weapon had on the Japanese? Was there a way to prevent this mass explosion?
We did some testing at the Trinity bomb site, which gave us an idea and some knowledge of the impact of the explosion. There was no way to prevent this explosion. There was a way to prevent this explosion. There was a way to prevent this explosion. It was for the Japanese to surrender. The dropping of the atomic bomb prevented the U.S. from invading Japan. This invasion would have caused millions of Japanese and American deaths. The Japanese were not backing down.
Who worked with the Manhattan Project? Were there hand-picked people the United States government had chosen? How many people were there that worked with the Manhattan Project?
Our employees consist of scientists, engineers, and many of them coming from leading universities such as Harvard. We have about 130,000 employees at 37 facilities across the United States.
Where was the nuclear bomb made?
The first nuclear bomb was made in Los Alamos National Laboratory, the main site of the Manhattan Project.
What was the name of the first atomic bomb? Why did it take so long to build?
The atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima was called the Little Boy. It was the first nuclear bomb ever made. It took so long because the uranium used in the bomb was so rare and took 4 years to extract and was extremely expensive.
What was the name of the second atomic bomb? Why was it less destructive?
The second atomic bomb that was dropped on Nagasaki was called the Fat Man. The pilot actually missed the target spot because of weather-related reasons. However, the mistake did lead to a lesser amount of death. This bomb was made of plutonium.
What was the estimated number of deaths?
We don't know the exact number of deaths, but it is between 90,000 and 146,000. Many people died due to radiation poisoning. Following the explosion, they were desperate for water. The black, poisonous rain fell out of the sky, and many people ingested it. Although unknown to them at the time, the rain was radioactive and later led to massive amounts of deaths. In conclusion, nuclear energy, though having the possibility to be dangerous, it also has purposes that are helpful and non-destructive. The Manhattan Project was a classified project during World War II where scientists worked to create the atomic bomb, which was later used twice on the Japanese cities of Nagasaki and Hiroshima at the end of the war to avoid invasion. Thank you all very much for attending this conference. I hope you now have a better understanding of the Manhattan Project and the uses of nuclear energy. Thank you.